Good morning. On behalf of PG&E, I would like to welcome all of you here today. It is a great honor for us to be hosting this inaugural. One of the things I'd like to talk about is PG&E's goals. Why would we want to actually host this type of event? Hopefully, most of you have seen in the news at some time in the past year, our CEO, Peter Darby, we have made a commitment, and he has made a personal commitment to lead us there, that we believe global climate change is really an issue, and we are going to be the leading utility addressing that issue. In order to do that, we need to show our leadership in this type of a venue, and to be the leading utility addressing climate change, one of the things we have to be is continue to be the leading utility in energy efficiency. Here at PG&E, we have a long history, 31 years of doing energy efficiency, and we have currently 85 customer-facing energy efficiency programs. This year, those programs will have a reduction in demand of 250 megawatts, which is basically a small power plant, and nearly 1,500 gigawatts of energy savings. So it's really important for us to do that, because the connection to that, of course, is whenever you do use power and you're creating it through fossil fuels, you are impacting the climate. One of the other things we have here that we're really proud of is we believe we have in California, between the investor and utilities, probably the best energy efficiency emerging technology program in the country. And we currently have nearly 50 projects we're looking at in there, including consumer electronics, what's happening in the home. The reason this is such an important issue for us is over the years, we've had a great codes and standards program in California. PG&E's participated in it, and we've had great energy efficiency programs. We've really concentrated on the building shell, and we've concentrated on the major systems in that shell. The windows and doors, people said, what is penetration? Windows and doors. We've concentrated on insulating homes, building them better. We've concentrated on the heating and cooling and ventilating systems. We've done a lot of work on refrigerators. And if you take a look at that, the percent of the energy consumption in a home is going down in all those areas. Where is the one place the energy level is going up? Consumption per home? Consumer electronics, the things that are plugged in. This is the next area we have to address in order to be successful in energy efficiency. So this is the exact reason why these types of alliances are important to us and why we will be involved in them. So with that, I'd like to express our appreciation, and today we really do want to focus on this meeting to bring together government, academia, and industry in an open discussion that will agree on a standard for universal power supply. So if we can just focus and get there and take one step, maybe this can be an example for consumer electronics, and we need to take that and use it in every type of form. We have to be able to go to manufacturers and say, we have ways to work with you that are sensible, that will allow you to still be profitable, but will also be environmentally useful to us. So with that, thank you and welcome.